Wow, ang sarap. Nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Cafe Dasha for sending us the best of the North. Ito po yung mga pagkaing Ilocano. So nakikita nyo po sa harap natin, meron tayong pancit, BATIL-PATONG, and meron din tayong all-time favorite almusal, which is yung Ilocanong longganisa plus the usual egg on top. But what made it special is yung mga longganisa natin are really from Ilocos Norte. They are located in Mabalacat, Pampanga. Actually, Cafe Dasha is the food provider of the GDS Realty company. So ano yung mga sinaserve ni Cafe Dasha? We have our sweets and delicacies. Meron tayong brownies. We also have cupcakes. And then, coffees and milk tea. According to our orientation, if my memory serves me right, ang batil po is yung soup. And then you have your pancit, which is a Mickey size pancit. And then patong is yung mga nakapatong na ingredients on top of it. So I believe you can customize or personalize yung mga nakapatong doon. You can add an egg, a vegetable, but yung very staple na yung mga main ingredients na nandun are of course your bagnet. You also have, I think, meron din mga ground meat and some liver, mga ganyan. Depende siguro sa nagsaserve and available na ingredients. You can actually include yung mga yon. So, on our table, they sent us two kinds of batil-patong. The one is plain, and then the other one is pancit batil-patong with vegetable. Tinikman ko guys is yung plain. And the way you eat is, get your pancit. Oof. You get more ingredients that you want to patong. Let's put it on top. You get a good scoop of onion. There you go. So you get a, good scoop of your mixed concoction, yung onion, yung vinegar, soy sauce, calamansi, and then you put it on top of your pancit, and then that's it. You're ready. Just like that. Ang experience guys, it is totally different from Kapampangan taste, no? For me, ang pancit nila is very plain and simple. You just add a special vinegar. It will complement all the flavors and ingredients. Now, batil or the soup is actually egg-based soup. What else in it? Medyo hindi ko na po alam yon. But the way you enjoy it, you can sip directly from your container or cup. Guys, make sure that it is hot. So, ininit ko muna to sa microwave. Kasi sabi nila sa akin, when you eat it, dapat may nagpapawisan ka. It should be steamy hot. Just like that. Or, yung mga ibang ginagawa ng mga Ilocano is they pour it into their pancit. So, the pancit is now like soupy. Parang gano'n, medyo soup-based. Again, depende sa preference niyo guys or the way you want to experience it. It's up to you. Alright, so, I wanna switch my plate. I wanna taste this time yung kanilang longganisa. So, I believe each province, parang we take pride of our trade. Yung mga products natin. So, for example, sa atin, we are so proud of our longganisa, tocino. They are so sweet. Yung mga taga Ilocos naman is plain and simple. Your ground meat, your salt, a little bit of yung mga available na herbs, spices, and seasoning sa kanilang lugar. As plain as that. Plain and simple. For food, I think simple is delicious. Wow. Ang sarap. Alright, so that's about our main dishes. Grabe, nagpapasalamat po kami Cafe Dasha for sending us such a very generous delivery, no? Okay, I wanna transfer now to our desserts. Meron tayong mga cupcakes dito. Cafe Dasha assures us that these cupcakes are really fresh. They are homemade. They bake this themselves, guys. They make sure that they wanna serve fresh every single day sa cafe natin. So I'm trying their cupcakes. So see, check that out. I believe this is a banana cupcake. Napakasarap. Amazing. Tamang-tama lang siya. Oh, so it has parang chocolate filling inside. I wanna finish off our vlog with our milk teas. So they sent us 2 milk teas. Ayan, ito po. They sent us 2 milk teas. So let me taste this one. Alright, so guys, if you like the food you saw in this video or just got interested with pancit batil-patong, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You can actually enjoy this at the comfort of your home. If I'm not mistaken, no, they are available at Food Panda, or you can just check out their fan page kung paano nyo po ma-order ang mga ganitong pagkain at the comfort of your home. So stay at home, stay safe, enjoy these kind of amazing dishes with your family. So guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out.